So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to present about my project. But before I explore more about this project, let's introduce myself. My name is Neneng Nuraini. I am from Postgraduate of English Education Program, and my NPM is 20257479112. I create about this project to fulfill the final test of academic speaking for specific purpose, and I would like to express my gratitude for my lecturer, Professor Dr. Mas Hadi Said, who has given me a chance to improve about my speaking skill through this assignment. And the title for this video is Public Speaking in EFL, Teaching Students to Speak with Confidence. Students, they have many problems for them. Actually, it is the real challenge for us as a teacher too. The problem of them is not only about the lack of vocabulary, or they don't know about the good grammatically and the structure, but the highest problem of mental block, or they freeze in there. What are they of solution when we have any problem and lower of our confidence? Four pillar frameworks to improve about the confidence, because confidence is built like a skill, not as overnight that can have by everybody, because it's like a ladder, should have step by step to improve about the confidence. The first is lower the stake, the second is structure and scaffolding, the third is delivery mechanics, and the fourth is repetition and feedback. The first pillar is lower stake gradually. Lower stake gradually, it means that this is the lower risk without any pressure for the student. The first is pair work. Pair work have one partner to their skill, and they discuss about the one topic to know some of the vocabulary and practice with their friend, with their partner. And the second is small group. Small group, it means that the student can improve about their skill of listening by listen some of the differences of native speaker. And the third is record alone. Record alone, it means that after they know some of vocabulary and they listen about the native speaker, they can practice about the word that they know about it, and they can take a video by their phone. After that, they try to in the half of the class to practice about the thing that they have known. The last is full of the class. After half of the class, the last is the full of the class. The student can share about their knowledge to speak in front of their friend in the classroom. It is the first time for them to speak more, to improve about their confidence. And the second pillar is structure and scaffolding. Structure and scaffolding is confidence comes from knowing exactly what to do next, not natural talents. What are they to this about the VREP framework? VREP framework, it means that point, reason, example, and point. The teacher, for the point is it, the teacher determine about one topic, and then After they determine about one topic, the teacher give the example such as I think, and the student can continue the other sentence after the teacher say I think. And the second is reason. After the student tell about point, so the teacher give again about the word, and the student can continue. For example, the reason why I like it, blah blah blah. The student can continue the reason about it. And the third is example. Example, it means that Sam with the reason, and the teacher give again about the word, and the student can continue the example for my. And the last is point again. Point again, it means about the third pillar is delivery mechanic. Delivery mechanic, it means that train the physical and vocal side as a spare skill from language ability. What are they? They are, the first is eye contact. Eye contact, after the student less about their anxiety and they good confident, they can speak in a good order. The third, how to deliver about their speak in front of the audience by their eye contact. Eye contact, when the student do about their speech in front of the audience, they should use about their eye contact by looking the back right, center, and the back left, rather than they screen all of the face of their friend. And the second is pausing. Pausing teaches that silence is fine. Never mind if you are pausing in your middle of your speak. You need a time to search what word that you can speak, because you forget for the vocabulary or at anything, you can pause it. Never mind, but you need a time. And the last is volume and pace. Volume and pace, it means that drill projection and slow down, sometimes using L1 content first to isolate delivery, high your volume and lower your volume. The last pillar is lower stake repetition and feedback. Lower stake repetition is the most important for the student, because it is impossible that we can memorize every lesson that we have got without repetition. What are they of the repetition way? The first is 1 minute impromptu talks. Every topic done weekly, speak without much preparation become routine. So 1 minute you can routine repeated about the talks with yourself. And the second, you can some speech in same topic for the other audience. And the last is private video self-review. What about your speech in front of the audience? Take a video and then you can review what are they of your mistake by yourself, or you can ask for your teacher. The last is feedback. Feedback, don't let grammar correction bury a great structural improvement. So in this feedback sphere, there are two: language accuracy and speaking confidence and delivery. Language accuracy, it means the teacher should correct about the grammar and grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation to improve about their skill of their speaking. And speaking question from this video, the last enhance about your speaking, remove about your anxiety or mental block by some step in 4 pillar.